As a student, do you want to make money online in Pakistan? Then hit the red bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Hello, my name is Saad, and I am here to tell you about the platforms from which you can earn money. 1. Freelancing websites. Freelancing is a brilliant way to earn money in Pakistan. Many websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Guru are providing opportunities for students and professionals to earn money. At start it might get tougher, but when you dedicate your motivation, energy, and passion to freelancing, it will eventually give you higher result. As a freelancer you can earn between $5 to $100. 2. Software house. If you have software degree or you know about networking, then you can start your own software house or get hired. Gain experience and work closely with clients. There are different software companies in Pakistan which you can join. You can earn between PKR 30,000 to 100,000. Provide better quality services to your clients to make them happy. 3. Blogging. Blogging is one of the fast trends growing in Pakistan. Many students and professionals are writing blogs to share their story and experiences in life. You can make blog on WordPress and publish, which will help you to grow your customers. A blogger earns between PKR 5,000 to 50,000. 4. Content writing. Content writing is one of the trends that has made people millionaire. Creating content is difficult, but once you know how to do it, you will make a lot of money. Create content on Canva and sell on different platforms. Make sure that your content is authentic and legitimate. From content writing you can make up to 200,000 PKR. 5. Facebook Marketplace. Sellers all over Pakistan can sell their products like jewelry, phones or anything at Facebook Marketplace. Make an ad on Canva by designing it. List it on Facebook Marketplace and earn million through it. There are also other platforms like Teespring, Flippa. Make money up to 100,000. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel